15 years later, how much will you have? $100 a month at 10% equals $63,717. At 15% equals $113,632. $300 a month equals up to $247,334. Start today. Thank yourself in 15 years. Hey everyone, welcome. Today I want to talk about one of the most powerful concepts in finance, compound interest. So, what exactly is compound interest? Compound interest is when your money earns interest not just on the original amount you invested, but also on the interest you've already earned. It's often called interest on interest, the snowball effect. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. Let me show you the difference. Simple interest only earns returns on your starting amount, but compound interest earns returns on your starting amount plus all the returns you've already made. That's why it's considered one of the most powerful forces in investing. The basic formula is future value equals present value multiplied by 1 plus the annual return rate to the power of the number of years. When you also add monthly contributions, it becomes even more powerful. It's called the future value of an annuity. Now, let's look at a real scenario with a $5,000 starting amount. If you add $100 every month, at 10% annual return after 15 years, you end up with $63,717. At 15% annual return, you reach $113,632. If you add $300 every month, at 10% annual return, you get $146,611. At 15% annual return, you reach an impressive $247,334. Here's how the growth actually feels over time. In the first 5 years, the growth looks relatively slow. This is the hardest part for most people. Between years 5 and 10, the speed starts to pick up. And from year 10 to 15, this is where the real magic happens. The growth becomes massive. For example, with $300 monthly at 10% return, you earn about $12,900 in the first 5 years, but around $45,000 in the last 5 years, almost 3.5 times more. For American investors, here are realistic expectations. 10% annual return is the most realistic long-term average, close to the S&P 500. 12% is very good. 15% is excellent, but more optimistic. Practical advice for U.S. citizens. Use the best accounts possible, especially 401k with company match, Roth IRA for tax-free growth, and a regular brokerage account. The easiest investments are VOO or SPY for the S&P 500, VT for global stocks, or target date funds. Key rules for success. Set up automatic contributions every month, never try to time the market. Stay invested even during crashes, keep adding money consistently. Final message, compound interest isn't magic, but when you combine it with time and consistency, it feels like magic. $5,000 today might feel small, but with monthly contributions and patience, it can realistically grow into $150,000 to $250,000 in just 15 years. The most important decision isn't how much you start with, it's whether you start today.